Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So as if you are facing this warning that you disagreed with the decision on your Facebook content, here I will show you how can you remove this warning on your Facebook content. So as if you think that your content is not violating the community guidelines, you can easily appeal for it. So guys, here I will show you how can you easily appeal to review your content on your Facebook. So first of all, go back to your home screen, and here you will have to open your Facebook, and from here open your menu in Facebook, scroll it below and tap on Sport Inbox, and from here tap on your alerts, and from here you can easily see your warnings list here. So as if there is any list here, you will have to simply tap on this, and then you will have to tap on review your content. So guys, you will have to simply appeal for reviewing your content, and after this the Facebook team will oversight your post or your content on Facebook, and if it is not violating the community guidelines, it will be restored on your Facebook account, and if it is violating the community guidelines, it will not be restored on your Facebook. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.